Hi, here is the overall condition of the Minolta Capios 20. It's like this. Okay, here is the battery compartment using one CR1238 battery. And by pulling this button to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Okay, next step, here is the film, and here is the film compartment. We need to slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have into the center part of the canister, okay, or the film. Yeah, we just insert into it, push it in. The film kit, we put until here will do, and make sure that your film is flat. Then we just close it, and it will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. By clicking this button, is to arm it. Okay. And here is the zoom function, and here's the shutter button. Here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder at the center point here, got a bracket, so that you just use that bracket to aim to the object that you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay. When the red light is blinking like this, which means that it's charging a flash. Okay. While if the green light blinking, which means that it can't focus, so you just aim far away will do. Yeah, you see. Okay, then we just click it. Then we shoot and move to the second pix. Okay, now the flash mode is like auto with the red eye reduction. While personally feel that the red eye, you can just off it lah, because it doesn't like have any big difference. And in another way, it will be more like spending your battery life, because it will blink for a few times only if fire shutter. If like normal mode without the red eye, try. Okay, yeah, you see it's just one shot. So yep, then you can just adjust it. This one is force the flash, off the flash, auto. Personally, we will recommend you just put it as fully auto will do. Okay, then here is the timer, also same. Half press to the object, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Then yeah, here have a red light up, means that it's start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will start blinking faster or something. Yeah. Okay. Then next step, this one is like continuous shooting. Aim to the object. If you didn't release, it will keep shoot. Like that. Okay. And here is the mode. Now it's auto. When you click to macro, it will zoom to the max. Then this one is night mode, landscape. Okay. Then here is the panorama mode. When you switch to P, it will become narrow a bit, like that. Actually, it's just basically it's just like cropping it lah. So you just ignore this function will do.